Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Klarna at Walmart. Very simple. First off, launch your Walmart account. How to create one. Launch in a browser of your choice. At the top corner of your browser, you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar, type walmart.com and it's going to take you to this website. Check the top right corner and click on sign in account. And once you do that, go ahead and click on sign in and then follow through the process to create your account. And once you create your account, it's going to take you to the Walmart homepage, which of course is not for some restriction purposes. I'm unable to create an account on Walmart, but I'm going to show you exactly what to do and how to use Klarna at Walmart. So how to use Klarna? First off, you need to select the product that you want to buy. Alright, so let's say I like this. So you can just click on options. And then the next thing you do is to click on add to cart. Do you want the Walmart protection? I'll just decline. So here you go. I've added to cart, so you can just go ahead and click on view cart. And this is it. So this is my product. I'm just gonna have to select it. Sorry. Just find it. Okay. So now that we have, it says three, of course, the three items right here. So all I just need to do is to click on continue to check out. All right. This like I want to get the three items on the bowl. Okay, I don't want to get the three items, so I can just remove this. All right, and scroll the way down and remove this, so I can just have one item left. So this is just one item, so click on continue to checkout. So here, now this is not what you should naturally see if you've already created an account on Walmart. So here I haven't created an account, like I today have restriction, so I'm unable to create a Walmart account for now. But once you've created your account and then you click on continue to checkout, it's going to take you to the final page, which is the payment page or the checkout page. Right there at that window, scroll down, you're going to find payment method. So click on the payment method and all the options. In the options, you're going to find Klarna. So select Klarna as a payment method. So once you select Klarna, it means that your Klarna wallet or your Klarna balance will be debited to pay for that product on Walmart. So using Klarna on Walmart means you're using Klarna as a payment method. You have balances sufficient in Klarna enough to pay for what you purchased on Walmart. So select Klarna as a payment method and then continue to pay, and then that's just going to be it. The further instructions are self-explanatory, so you have absolutely nothing to worry about. So this is the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video helps you search.